Hi, my name is Matt Simmons, and right now we're going to cover the Pay at Pickup feature. This is the abridged or the short version of it. I recommend you watch the big one, but that's like 8 minutes long, so this is to get you by in the meantime. First step is you need to enable the Pay at Pickup feature. The Pay at Pickup feature allows customers to pay for their wash and fold when they come into the laundromat when they pick up their clothes, not when they drop it off. So first step is you switch to Owner. You go under Maintenance. Click on System Configuration, and it's right over here, Accept Payment at Pickup. All right. I would also have this box checked off as well. I go more into detail about what that is in the longer video, but in the meantime, I'm going to try and keep this short, and then go ahead and hit Save, and that'll save your changes. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and create an order, and this customer is going to pay when they pick up their clothes. So step number one, create a new order. So I'll do an order for myself, Matt Simmons, and you hit the green button for a new order. I'm going to do laundry only. The customer is picking up and dropping off their order. And now here are the payment options. So we have all the usual suspects: pay now with cash, pay now with credit card, keep your credit card on file. But the new one that we just enabled is Pay at Pickup. That's what I'm going to do. It defaults to creating an estimate, which is right over here. So I could go ahead and create an estimate for the customer. Let's say it's 24 pounds. And so then you could tell the customer it's going to be $37.50 when they pick it up. Sometimes the customer doesn't care about an estimate. They just want to drop it off, and they'll give you the money when they come in which case you could turn off the estimate, and then that way you could get the customer in and out faster. So you don't have to do the estimate. All right, so we'll go ahead and do the estimate and for the wash and fold, and then we'll go ahead and hit next. All right, so it's just like usual. You got the different payment methods, but again, this person's paying when they pick it up. You could change it if you change your mind. If they insist on paying now, you could change your mind and just click this box instead. But we'll go ahead and hit next. And you can print out a ticket for the customer. You could also go ahead and hit a receipt. All right, so now we're ready to bin the order. Because this is a short video, I'm going to do a time warp, and now we're going to go into the future. And now we've finished laundering the clothes, and now the customer is ready to pick up their clothes. So we hit Customer Pickup. And here is the order. Matt Simmons, order 467. And notice this is the new feature right here. It says pay. Everybody else has a green light, which means go. And they could pick up their order because they already paid. Here it's very clear this customer is not paid for their clothes yet. So we need payment. So before we go get their clothes, we click on pay. And now you've got a whole bunch of options. You could accept cash. You could accept credit card. You could tell the customer, hey, you could pay by credit card. And if you want, we could keep that card on file so you don't have to take out your wallet again ever in the future. So it's up to them. And we'll go ahead and have them pay by cash. So the total is $70.13. So let's give them $80, and we'll give them $9.87 back change. And then we'll go ahead and hit complete the order. Now I can print out a receipt if I want to, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit close. We go ahead and hit complete order. Very important to hit complete order because this moves the order along. And now the order is ready for pickup because the customer already paid. Don't forget to hit the drop down so you can see where the clothes are located. Shelf 102. Go ahead and mark it as picked up. Is Matt Simmons picking up the order? Yes. And that's it. So that's the new feature. It allows you to have customers pay when they pick up their clothes, and it keeps it very easy to recall who's paid for their clothes and who hasn't. Many other laundromats oftentimes return clothes without them being paid for because they think the customer already paid for it. So you've got the best software out there. Enjoy.